Hey guys, today I'll be playing Minecraft and showing you how to build a cool Minecraft bridge. So let's get started. Don't know why. Yeah, it's working now. So what you want to do first, find a river, or if you're doing it in creative, just make your own river. I'm doing creative, so I'll make my own river. Because why does you want whatever shape you want? So I'll just make a river, and then you can skip ahead in this bit. But this is what you do if you're doing in creative super flat, which is what I'm doing. So just mine it out until you have a river that you like the look of. I'll probably just do this and then it'll be over. So this is my river. Then what you want to do is pretty obviously fill it up with water. Fill it all up until the water's flat. It doesn't have to be flat, but that's the kind of thing I do. Then get some kind of block, put campfire over that, break the block, and then campfires along. This time I'll be doing 4 blocks wide, and then what you want to do is I need to get a bucket. Is need to do this. Just put all the fire out so that doesn't hurt you, and you can see a cool bridge texture. So what you want to do is carry on building the bridge. Oops, not meant to put some underneath though. Until once you finish the bridge, you'll want to carry on. Sorry about the smoke. And take this off. Water buckets along here. Take them back off. Along here as well. So the first bit's quite simple. Once you've done this, it should look like about like this. I'll just make it into a 3 wide because that looks better. And then put the wood planks at the side. You can do whatever type of wood you want, but in this case I've done oak. In fact, I think spruce would be the best one. I thought oak would be pretty good, but I think spruce would be better. So get some spruce materials. These are the ones I've got. Why did there have to be slimes? Go away, please. And then spruce is more like the actual campfires, so that's why I'm using them. And then spruce logs, if you want. That's what I'm doing. So I think it looks pretty cool as spruce. Especially the logs going up like this. And then just get some slabs, put them along the side and the other side until you see this kind of bridge. You want to No, that doesn't seem. I don't think you'll need slabs. You might need them, depending if you do it different than I'm doing. So I'll do planks, so it works better. Unless you want floating fences, which in my opinion looks quite weird. So then you can make a bigger bridge than I'm doing. I'm actually going to change the size. So I do this. Make it just one bigger than. About 4 logs upward is what I'm doing. Make it look like that. You can do it longer, which will probably make it look better. Because mine's not very long. I think it'll look better long. Until you see this. I just need to try something. I think it might work. Might not though. Get a lead. Don't do this unless it works when I do it. I can't even lead. Okay. Don't know why, but leads do no longer work. Weird. So when you've done this, you want to get a lantern. Equip that. Then put it along here. And then that's the bridge complete. So it'll probably look better if you made it a bit longer. And then when you made it, it's a bridge ready to go. For the river, you can make it a bit deeper, which is what I'm doing. In fact, I'll just make it 1 deeper. Make it a lot deeper than what I'm doing. For now, I'll just do it like this deep. Ah! I don't know why that happened. Why is there slime in here? It's quite annoying. Interrupting my video. Very rude of you, slime. You should learn how to be nice. Oops. I need dirt. When you've got your dirt, fill it back in. Just make sure the bottom is like dirt blocks. Because I'll show you why in a second. Just clear out your inventory once you've done that. Then you want C, type in C, then take the sea lantern, put sea lanterns at the bottom, or if you want to use something like glowstone you can do that. Then get some coral, take all the coral you think you'll need. That's how much coal I'll need. Just take it like that. Can take these ones, but for now I'll take you can also, nope, bad spelling, sorry. Take some fish, tropical fish, not silverfish. You can take puffer fish, some turtles if you want. That's what I'm gonna do. What's that? Okay. That's about all you need. And then just start decorating around in your river. Put some coral, some fish. I'll do the fish after I've done all the coal. Bubble coral. Just put it around randomly. I keep on accidentally doing that. Fire coal, pretty cool. Horn coral, put some of that down. And then start spawning in your fishies. A few pufferfish, a few turtles in. And there you have it. Not very successful, you probably make it longer. Minecraft bridge. And that's all for today's video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And whenever you see a new video come out, don't forget to watch it. So, bye!